Hey, RT here. Today I'm going to be talking about my homemade mulch and how it stood up to last night's thunderstorm and whether it prevented soil from splashing up on the leaves. That's important because a lot of soil-borne diseases can infect your tomato plants if they are able to come in contact with the tomato leaves. So it's very important that not happen. So let's see how we did. Okay, you can see that my homemade mulch is basically cardboard grass clippings. Let's see how this tomato plant did. Not bad, not bad. Let's check out another one. Again, you can see my cardboard grass clippings. Not too bad. This plant is looking spinally, but that's not a minus in a situation where the season is getting a lot of rain and we're talking about thunderstorm type situations. The neighbor behind me, their house has a limb partially on it, so there was definitely some strong thunderstorm activity last night. Let's move on to the next plant. Another tomato. You can see that there's no splash up here, and some of my mulch did get blown around because it is, you can still tell it's actually windy, but this plant did well. Here's another one, potato leaf. It's got some actual grass clippings blown up on it, but not dirt, so that's good. Here's a good test. Now this one I did a very good job on because I knew it was low as far as the leaves versus the ground, and I wanted to protect as much as possible, so I really did a good job and it paid off for me, so I'm very glad about that. Here's another one. Not as good a job. These leaves I could have cut off, I suppose, but this is a plant that I'm expecting will produce early, and then it won't be around all season. You can see some wind damage right there on my Swiss chard. This plant, don't see much splash up. Again, it's pretty high up. Even this low leaf didn't get bad because I mulched well here, and I've got Swiss chard there. It actually, I think, helped. Here's another plant, and again, it's spinally. You can actually see it's actually starting to grow some side shoots. Those were not there when I put it in the ground. Okay, I'm now going to take you over to an area that did not have nearly as good a mulch. You can see this area. You can see how wet the area is, and these plants haven't been in very long. I did not mulch this upper area, and that obviously created some splash that got on these. I just ran out of the homemade mulch. Anyway, I'll be posting videos daily of these, and we'll see what they're like in 30 days. Thank you.